Today I'm popping in to do a review on this little faithful gift box. Now this is going to be kind of a spiritual gift. I have to say I am extremely impressed with the packaging. Everything looks very high end. It all looks very nice. The box itself is very giftable, so you don't have to worry about unpacking this and then repackaging it. Everything is spelled correctly on the box. When you go ahead and lift the lid and you open it up, you're going to find that the inside of the box also is very nicely decorated. You have this little nice detail on the top, and then when you look inside, you see everything is again very nicely packaged. So inside this box, you're going to have a nice little card. It's just blank on the inside, but kind of matches the packaging. You have this extra box here. It says Beyond Blessed. When you open it up, you'll see it's a very cute coffee mug. You pull it out, everything is bubble wrapped, so it's very nicely protected. And then here is the coffee mug. The whole thing has a very nice matte enamel on the outside. It's got the nice little brown neutral natural dip on the bottom. Has the nice little flecks on the enamel, and everything is adhered very nicely, so I don't feel any raised or any peeling or anything on that. It's printed on one side, and then on the inside you have that nice speckled white finish. You have all the nice little packaging material. You have this really cute little bracelet. When we get that opened, you can see it just is a very cute little bracelet. It has your white little cross on it. It feels like these are actually made of a stone, so they do not feel plasticky. They don't look plasticky whatsoever. Very, very nice. You also have a box of prayer cards in here as well. These are also very nicely made. The paper and cardstock is very nicely made. Has kind of a matte, luxurious feel to the paper, so they feel kind of like a really nice playing card or something of that nature. You'll see that they're color coded, so you have some here. You've got Deuteronomy. Let's see what that is. So these are just really, really cute. You have these as well. So you've got lots and lots of different cards in here in this stack. Again, all very nicely printed. The details are very nice. Everything looks great. You also have this cute little dove. It says peace be with you. Looks like it's crocheted or something. When you pull it out of the package, here it is. Very cute. And then in the very bottom of the box, you'll have a nice little notebook here. Again, very nicely printed. It's spiral bound, which I love, so you know everything's gonna lay flat. And then you also have this really nice pen. It has kind of a copper metallic finish to it. When you twist the top, you'll see that the tip comes out, and even the tip is protected to make sure that everything gets to you safe and sound. So again, very nice added detail that you wouldn't expect. Overall, this is a really nice gift set. I would absolutely 100% get this for anybody that is a faith-based gift. I also love that not only would this work for an adult, but it would also work for a younger child. I have a 12-year-old daughter that would have loved this for her confirmation or her first communion even. These would make a really, really nice gift, especially since, you know, it kind of has even this little stuffy in here. So I love that this is something that's giftable amongst all ages. They could drink hot cocoa in here, or coffee, or tea. It has the card, and this is a very versatile gift for any kind of spiritual, faith-based gift that you might want to give someone. Packaging is done very nicely. If this is a product you are considering, again, would definitely recommend it. It is very high quality. I absolutely love the way everything looks. It's very feminine and modern. This is a product that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully this review has helped you decide if it's the right product to you or not, but I'm really looking forward to enjoying it, and I think that you will too.